In this video, I'll show you how to remove Facebook-linked apps so you can stop other apps or websites from accessing your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. After that, tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Permissions section. Here, tap on Apps and Websites. This section shows all the apps and websites that are currently connected to your Facebook account. Tap Logged in with Facebook to see the full list of active apps. Now select the app or website that you want to remove. After opening it, tap the Remove option. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to remove the connection. Tap Remove again to confirm. Once you do this, that app or website will no longer have access to your Facebook account or your data. You can repeat the same steps if you want to remove other connected apps as well. It's a good idea to review this list from time to time and remove apps you no longer use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.